Hi there, here's Malte from airfocus. I'm excited to introduce our product portfolio excellence template by the one and only Petra Wille. This template is for product leaders who need strategic clarity and alignment across their teams and across the entire product portfolio. It helps answer critical questions like, do the teams work on the strategic goals? Are all these teams working on them more or less equally? Where's a lot being done that does not contribute? And are we in the product comfort zone, or do we dare to do enough new things? This template comes with two product workspaces, one for each team to manage its strategy, its roadmap, and prioritization workflows, and then a portfolio workspace that displays selected items from these team roadmaps for this bird's eye view on priorities and releases. Super helpful. So let's dive into how this template can transform your product management approach. Great. Let's get going with the template from within the airfocus product. You can install the template by clicking on the template libraries when creating a new workspace, and then going to buy experts, and then picking the template you want to use. And yeah, let's dive right into the template. What you get is two team roadmap workspaces, and then a portfolio roadmap workspace that mirrors items from team one and team two for like this bird's eye portfolio view. Looking at team one, yeah, so this is the home for team one, where they kind of have their roadmap and their entire product management workflow. This workspace may also be like connected to a Jira instance. It has like some of our apps installed depending on the needs of team one. And yeah, let's take a quick look at the fields that this workspace uses. So with the built-in status field, it's kind of using the Petra Wille discovery and product management workflow, where everything starts as an idea and then moves through idea assessment, opportunity and discovery and delivery and launch, and eventually to these release states. There's also a field for strategic goal, which actually is used in all of the three workspaces. And this is a bit to bind them together around these shared objectives. And then we have a field which I really like about comfort level, which gives you an understanding for each item, whether this is more of the same and just improvement work, or whether you're actually daring to work on new stuff and new product market fit. There are some like additional fields to manage the work here, for example, batch size that comes in handy for the prioritization. But yeah, let's take a look at how Team One structures their work in this workspace based on the Petra Wille methodology. And again, this is just a suggestion. That's a good starting point. And then you can change the fields, you can change the views, you can add extensions based on your needs. But yeah, like if we take a look at the roadmap, you can see it's swim laned by the strategic goal, and you can now open these goals to see what the team is working on across the statuses and for each of the strategic goals. Really end to end. We also have like this backlog view that is a bit of a table with all the information available, and also nicely showing this prioritization framework and the prioritization score. If you're into like more granular planning, we have this beautiful timeline view, also Gantt view. And then this is also a great view based on the Petra Wille methodology of epics that are without a goal. Yeah, so this just filters out everything that doesn't have a goal, and you should be very careful to work on stuff when it's not assigned to the goals. Obviously, it sometimes makes sense, but just be cautious. The team two is pretty much the same. It maybe follows a bit of a different workflow. Maybe it has like a few different fields and different visualizations of the product data. Maybe it uses one of the other apps. That's not so relevant right now. But yeah, we have like now learned that team one has their own items and their own ways of working in this workspace. Team two has their own way of working, and the work of both these teams is now rolling up to this portfolio view in an automated way because of the item mirror app, which mirrors the items based on like field mapping and filtering, and automatically work from team one and team two based on some filterings. Shows now up on this portfolio roadmap view, where you can see work across teams on this view. And then if you want to maybe see what's actually going on across these two teams based on the strategic goals, you can also do that. So you see that view is swim lane by the strategic goal, which is a field in both workspaces. There's also a portfolio timeline across teams, which is very helpful to also spot cross-team dependencies. There's a view that shows big bets across both these teams. That's great for higher level conversations. You obviously could now also, like, again, swim lane this view by the different teams. And also the view for epics without goals across both teams is very helpful to navigate these strategic conversations. Great. Happy planning with the product excellence template by Petra Wille.